So I'm here with the one and only Aidette. So I'm so excited that she's here. We're actually on a trip with Lux to Kill and we're in Mykonos.
So beautiful here. The view is just amazing.
Oh my god, we're like literally sitting in front of a view.
Yeah, we wake up every day and we're like, can you believe that we're here? It's really weird, but it's so cool.
You go outside and you're like, oh my god, this is like... Anyways, we're doing a get ready. But this is gonna be like our vacay go-to makeup. She'll have her version and I'll have my version. She'll show you guys
our little routine.
Yeah, our little routine, basically. So we're just gonna get right into it.
My brows take forever.
You start with your brows.
Yeah.
I know, I used to do that, but for some reason when I do it, I tend to take a really long time.
We're always the last ones to get ready in this house. It's actually really bad.
Yeah, every time we have like somewhere to go, we're always the last ones, and we always feel bad because
everybody's waiting on us, and especially when we need to go out to eat food, we're always the last ones. So everyone's like kind of mad because they're always hungry.
Yeah, like really? What do you guys think you are? But everyone's really nice.
Yeah.
We're the only Americans. Oh, and Barbie. She's one of the girls here, and we're the only Americans. It's so funny because we're like around their accent all the time, and I tend to like catch on to stuff like what they say because I feel like when you hear it a lot like that,
it kind of sticks.
It sticks with you a little bit.
So I've been noticing that Carla and I have been kind of catching on to some of their words. Like I catch myself saying quiet instead of a little bit, or I don't know, it's weird.
Or like nice.
Yeah.
When it's good. And I'm like,
this food is nice.
This food is nice. But really, we usually say good.
And one of the guys here, he's like, bloody hell. That's really funny.
Or, Rihanna's brilliant. He was literally telling us a story about how Rihanna got thick. She put on some pounds. She's like, she looks brilliant. I was like, oh, my boyfriend would tell me I look brilliant when I'm gaining weight. As you can tell, we're a little tired. So.
Oh my gosh, we got food poisoning.
Yeah, food poisoning yesterday, and we threw up all night and day. We didn't get any type of sleep the night before, and we haven't ate at all. We've been having watermelon
and water. So it's basically all water.
We're gonna come back being legends.
Good morning.
We're feeling a little better.
We have Ella here.
Ella, say your name.
Hey.
Say YouTube.
Hey. She's all beat already.
I know, we're just like
getting her little bubble head.
She's the cutest.
I hope we get to see them again after the trip though, because I feel like it'll be really sad if we just don't
talk to them or see them anymore. Yeah.
Because we lived with them for like 7 days.
Yeah, I know. We're still like used to them. Ella's you're the youngest. Ella's the second youngest, right?
Yeah, I'm 19.
And she's 20. I know, right?
Guys, the driving here is freaking crazy.
I think that's why we got sick.
Because we had fish beforehand, and then I was feeling fine when we had the fish.
Yeah, I was fine.
Up until we were bouncing around in the car.
Because it's so rocky here, and you literally go up the hill, and it's so rocky. And that's when I started feeling I really felt like I was going to throw up on somebody. I was like...
And the thing is, in these taxis, you ride backwards.
Yeah, you ride backwards, so you're just so funny how you start with your eyes, and I start with my face.
Yeah, I do my brows and then I do my foundation.
Every time I try and sometimes I do my eyebrow and my eyes first, but when I do, I take a really long time. Maybe because I'm just so focused. She's like in the back.
Is this a joint get ready?
This is my get ready with me and
just like nice.
So you're in it as well?
It's okay.
It's okay, she's gonna beat you anyway.
Yeah, I'll probably shoot
These are all just bloopers.
These are bloopers. She's gonna walk by and back.
I freaking got pale during this trip. What the heck?
Really?
Yeah, because I had my spray tan and then I faded off because I guess of so many showers.
Oh, you got a spray tan.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were like tan, yeah.
Oh no.
Have you tried this? The pomade by Kat Von D?
No.
I
didn't even know she had a pomade.
She just came out with it. I started using this eyebrow stuff, and I'm usually like an Anastasia girl.
Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer? We should ask people to ask us questions.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Should I do it? I'm just gonna put it on Twitter.
No, whose hair is this? Why are girls so fucking disgusting? Tell her to take her weed and get it the fuck off the dining table.
Hello.
Hola,
Hi, Mom.
¿cómo estás, bebé?
Good. Me estoy maquillando.
Oh, ¿a dónde vas a ir? ¡Ay, qué bonita, my princess!
Estoy haciendo un video.
¿Oh, estás haciendo un video?
Yeah.
No me ves, no vas a estar mi voz. Me dice,
Oh, so maybe we can look at the questions now. Someone said, what are your guys' favorite foundation?
My favorite foundation is the NARS Sheer Glow. My go-to.
Mine is probably Laura Mercier's matte foundation. That one's so good because I'm an oily person. Are you oily?
I'm a combo. I've gotten a combo.
I'm so oily. Like, it's sad.
You don't look that oily to me at all.
Yeah, because I like matte my face a lot. Like, I go overboard.
Or I used to not really like blush, but now I kind of.
I know, I used to think that it made my cheeks look bigger. I used to always be like, oh yeah. I always felt like cachetona. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna wear it because it's gonna just make it worse, I feel like. But now I'm just used to it. I wear like orange colors.
Yeah, I like peachy.
Yeah. If it's too red or too pink, it's not good. I think it looks good on fair type like skin color. Why are y'all in Greece?
We're in Greece because we got reached out by Lux to Kill to come on a brand trip. This is my first brand trip, so it was really cool.
This is my second one, but it was all in 1 month. That's so funny.
That's how you know you mean it.
But I'm tired. Like, I have my sleeping schedule is just like not good. That's why I feel like my body's just like slowing down on me. How did you first meet?
We were in New York, BeautyCon last year.
I'll probably put the, no, maybe we shouldn't. But maybe there's a clip of us just like not doing it. Yeah, normal.
I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, we met at BeautyCon, and after that, we just started talking some more because we had a shoot after with Windsor.
And we kind of related because both of our parents are, did you say Michoacan, right?
Yeah, my dad.
And my mom's from Michoacan too. So we were just like, oh my god.
So right away it was just kind of like,
it was love at first sight.
but this is like the first time that we've actually kind of like hung out like a lot,
Yeah.
because we're sharing a room. So we got to know each other more. And
It's been nice.
See, we said nice.
I know.
It's been good.
It's been nice. It's so funny because I had never had a friend that was a Cancer.
Really?
No.
Another thing is that Carla listens to a lot of the same music that I do, and for me it's rare because a lot of people are like, why are you listening to emotional music?
Me too. And Cayman always like comes for me when I'm like listening to it. I usually do it when I'm getting ready. I like it. Like, we like Banks. I don't know anybody that likes Banks.
Yeah, I know, it was rare.
Banks,
I was like, what?
Sabrina Claudio.
Oh my gosh, I love her new song.
Who else? Lana Del Rey.
And who was that one song, Insecure? I was like, what?
Yeah.
Listen to Insecure.
I know, no one listens to that. And we also got food poisoning at the same time.
Well, no one else did. So I was like, yeah, everyone else is fine now, but like we're still like a little bit on the edge. So.
Yeah, a little bit. Like, I feel like if I take Pepto-Bismol, I'll be fine. Maybe. Hopefully.
We're going to brunch right now, so hopefully we can eat something because I'm really craving eggs. We haven't had real breakfast. I
No.
don't think.
What's your favorite eyeliner?
The Kat Von D tattoo liner.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
See, like, for some reason, like, I really like dark eyeliners. Like,
Oh, actually, the balm, the Schling liner is really, really nice.
Really? You know what's really good is a drugstore one? NYX.
Really?
Oh my god, it's so good. I don't even have enough, but sometimes I even have to go buy it. But it's so good. It's really, really good. I don't have it with me because I ran out.
This palette by NARS, This is the Narcissist Wanted palette. It has the prettiest shiny colors. So
It's nice, huh? Oh, let me see. Oh yeah.
they look really pigmented.
Oh, do you want me to show you the one I was using?
Which one?
The pink one. I were like, what is it?
Oh.
It's by Anastasia. Let me see. It's called Happy Days. It's this one. I don't know if you can see it.
Is it kind of like a pearl?
It's like pinky. It's really nice.
Oh, I wouldn't.
But it
that
smudges
color.
like that. See?
Oh. Did
Like
they send
it-
you the entire collection?
Yeah.
I probably have it then.
Yeah. You probably have it. You probably. It's just that it comes in a little compartment.
Oh.
Because your eyes stand out in pink, huh?
Yeah.
Mine stand out with yellow, gold, and like sometimes like emerald colors.
Who's your favorite guy singer?
My favorite guy. I mean, is Drake considered a singer?
Yeah, I love Drake.
Like, I just like him in general. Like, he's so good.
He's kind of like a singy rap.
Yeah, because like he be singing and stuff, right? What is yours? Let me guess.
What?
Chris Brown.
Oh no.
No?
No.
Oh, I feel like everybody likes him.
No, Drake is my favorite.
Fave place in Grace so far. His favorite place here.
Favorite place.
Yeah, that we've been to.
Favorite place. Oh, I think the little beach place that we went to, the yacht,
Namos?
yeah, Namos.
That was really cool. Yeah, we just went to this place called Namos. 2 days ago, and it was so cool. Like the music that they play is like so.
It was Arab type music,
Yeah.
but it was like really nice.
It was like fun music. And I was
Okay.
like, wow. And it was right in front of the beach. It's more like a daytime party type of thing.
I want to see Hawaii.
I know, I've never been. You know, my dream place to go is actually Greece. Like, no joking. It was so, like, the world's aligned or something. But this was my, like, #1. And then it is Bora Bora. So they have little huts.
Yeah, I think that's really pretty.
Are you ready?
No, you have to do your little faces. You'd be like, going like,
Oh,
you make faces and stuff.
make
You'd be like,
faces.
that one.
Oh, it's easier for you. You're setting my face too.
Oh, sorry. Do you want some? It's this one.
Oh, that smells good, Hacha. We've been taking so many pictures a day, it's actually crazy.
I know, we take like 300 a day.
It's for the content, it's for you guys.
So you can experience Mykonos with us. Like, you're here with us.
Is that Kat Von D Peen Pop?
Yeah. Like,
What the heck?
she has all these different colors, but I like it because,
It's easier like for shadow pop.
yeah, because they're like really, I don't have any yellow powder, but if I did, I would probably like put this and then the powder on top. But I don't have it. I just had to set it with like baking powder. Hi.
Oh, I'll do it one more time.
Oh no, come on. Say hi.
Yes, because I am looking so great today.
Oh my gosh, look her up.
I want to see.
This is Barb.
Hi.
Also known as Kelly Kelly. She will actually fight
She
you
will kill you.
and destroy you.
Well, if we don't get our cabs, that's when I get.
That's when she goes off. She's,
Oh my
she's
gosh,
ready to
that was
fight somebody.
What are you guys doing? Are you done?
We're gonna get ready with you. Yeah, we're pretty
We're
much
done.
It looks so good.
They always tell us we look like cousins out here. I think it's because we're just Mexican.
I feel like they don't see many Mexicans, that's why.
Top 3 must have while traveling, like products that you must have while you're traveling.
Brows, concealer.
Glow,
Yeah.
highlighter. I feel like concealer, glow, and even if you have mascara, is like, you can honestly just put that on and you will look fine. Right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. We're so happy to be here and I'm glad we got to show you some get ready with me. Thank you for being a part of my
Thank
video.
you for
This is
being
actually
part of
my
your
first
video.
this is actually my
Your
first
first
collab. I don't do YouTube like that. But this is my first collab.
You guys need to have Carla do more videos because she's really good. Look at her makeup, like what the heck?
Yeah, I'm ready.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. So bye. And I'll put your
My stuff